Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Watch Me Practice Trading. This is video number 2 in the Sierra Chart series, where I am making the transition over to Sierra Chart and getting used to the platform and just practicing in general. We had video number 1, which started the day on October 17th at 8:30. We went for about 26 minutes, and here we are right now at 8:56 a.m. in the morning. So we're right around 9 o'clock. We had a sell-off this morning, some nice candles here. These are time charts and tick charts. And I'm thinking that we're probably going to head down towards 15,000. So we just had some important level checks over here while I was yapping. Let me get some entries in over here. There might be some more upside here. Really hate to miss out on this, but I really don't want to be super Mr. Chase the Trade either. So let's see. Let's see what happens. So we definitely set a level up here. So we got picked up for 6. We'll do this as an initial and then kind of see what happens. If it rips down from here, I'd really like to have more than 6. But I really don't want it to test up higher either. Because then we might be heading up to like 100. I mean, it's not super far, but still. So we're definitely observing this level here. Okay. What we'll do is we'll be prepared to reverse in case it runs up. Or we could just get out and start over once we see what it's going to do. Maybe that's all it's got. I don't like our point here. Let's do cancel all. Okay, that's 9 o'clock move. Which way you gonna go? Oh, no good. Maybe that was it. And the move up. I bumbled that reversal. So I forgot to enter my quantities. This could have been our chance to enter. Okay, we're saying it's going to hold this level. So come on, dude, I was trying to move you. think this one's not looking that great for a long potentially. And as I say that, of course, that's when it goes. That's okay. Put some trails in on this guy. Oh, heck, that's a nice move. Up to the VWAP. And then the 9 on here, so potentially a reaction here. Here we'll take off 6. Or we'll just let it go a little more. Okay, where are we going? At least 120? Holy smokes. Okay, we got taken out of 6. The others are still running. Okay, we passed the weekly open. Let's see, this range right over here is looking good. At least. Oops. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so looks like it took us out. We are flat. So we got dinged a little bit in the beginning. Now we're up about 1,000 from when we started, because we started at 706.50. So this is probably a M9 check, weekly open check to continue up north. Look at that. That whole candle is almost wiped out. How much time's left? 20 minutes left on that candle. 50 seconds left on this guy. Oh, should have gotten back in. And we're hitting the OR high. Let's see, how much was this pullback from 133? Well, that's nothing. 121. This looks like it's a lot more. I'm zoomed in too far. Here we go. Okay, opening range high. See, that was a really strong move. RDA is still up above about 30 points. Expect a little bit of a pullback here. Here, let's put some entries trying to get back into this. Oh, I don't want to do 6s. Let's switch it to 3s. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback and re-enter from 34. It's about 15 points. Momentum long, How are we over here? We're in for 3. If this keeps going up to this level here, where the VWAP is, if it continues going up there, then that's probably going to switch. I don't know if we'll get picked up again. Let's protect this, the Lone Ranger here with 3 points. Pushing the OR high up. Sometimes at 911. Creating a strong level here. Well, that's what it seems like for now. Cancel. So I was thinking maybe it's going to create a range there, but it still could. So it's kind of stalling here. Okay, so push up to here is what I'm thinking short term. Daily opens at like 300. Man, we're setting a level right here. Can it blast through it? Potential range. Should have gotten in there. Still in it at least. So we'll expect something to happen here. Pull back on the downside. Maybe this is the pullback right here. Here we'll layer in a couple buys all the way to an RDA test to add to this. I just don't like that it's potentially ranging here. With an overshoot here, depends on if it comes down here to the RDA. So we got a touch over here. We're in for 6, got picked up for 1. If it decides to flip over here, so kind of screw up our P&L. In for 9. Here, we're not going to get in for anymore. What sucks is we're right at the bottom of that range. How does that happen? So when I say range, I'm kind of thinking like this right here. Come on, go up to like at least 70. There it goes. Retest this area, please. It's a little bit better. We're in for 9 now. So after this trade, I think I'll call this video. We're in for 22 minutes already. So short term, thinking it's going back up here. Long term, it could go up to like 300. Now it's kind of losing steam here. There you go. You can do it. So go up to 76, 72, 76, 80. Got a really tight stop. Got 300 in open P&L. So it'd be about 1300 if we close out like right there. Okay, we're far enough away. I'm going to switch the stops to be 3s. Okay, we popped up the OR high. Man, that's a good push down when it hit that level. Okay, it took us out for 1. Get rid of this box. We lost another one. Kind of a crummy area to ever break even, but we'll exit at a slight profit. This is where we'll be good push up. See, it's doing a star step. Ooh, hey, I made that happen. Really, I did. Let's see if it can run up past that OR high, which had pushed right on top of the VWAP. Funny how that happens. And that's the actual VWAP there. It's not a band or anything like that. So stalling here again. Potential flag pattern maybe for it to rip in a couple seconds. So we got about 7-8 minutes until 9:30. There we go. Why isn't this thing moving? How tight is this? It's not very much. It's only like 8 points or so. Okay. We went past our level. So we got the 50% at 190. Next level at 223. Again, I wish it was more than 3 contracts. Wow. Yeah, so we ran through the 50 on Big Red over here. I forgot what that other one was. That was going to be 223. Let's add. If it gets much below here, we probably don't want to be in this for it to go down. Probably just pull it flat. So 14 seconds left in this candle. 1800 here. So I'm going to run up some more to like what area? Like up here. That's my next target. In fact, I can say that want to take some off up there if it gets up there. $9.26. That was a big waste if it keeps going down. We'll give it a chance. We'll give it a chance to run up. Yeah, no good. But man, it's VWAP test right here. Could be a little more on the downside though. Like here. We're going to short it. Continue with momentum on these two, maybe heading down like over here. One for 6. It's a fight right here. Probably a no trade zone. Oh man, 9:30. We got to be poised to bail on this thing if it rips up. So another test of this level. Oh, that's not good. Which way you going, dude? You're making me nervous. So I'm going to go with, but that's right in the middle of that stupid range. Did we get picked up? Yeah, we did. So I'm thinking it's going to test here one more time and then rip up. So we're in for 6. We should probably, man, it's such a close area. How much is that? That's between the RDA. That's like 3 points. I don't like this. So what we'll do is we'll do like a super tight stop. Oh, not that tight. And if it moves up, awesome. But I just don't like that we're in such a short range. But if I was smarter, and I'm not, there it goes. I probably would have just gotten out and say it's not a great place to trade. So it's at the top of that rangy area. Is it going to break through that? Not yet. You know what? We're just going to flatten, or it's going to take us out. One of the two. Okay. We got out of it. So 1824. So how do we do? How do we do? So it's 1824 even. So it's 1117.50. So that's pretty good. So how do we do over here? Let's kind of messing around here at the end in this rangy area. Should have taken the profits, wound up giving it back. Still, man, kind of a no trade area, trade extremes. We were kind of in the middle. Not a great place to be. So either come back here, probably weekly open, or heading up to, I forgot what I said, like here in this like 220 area. Actually, that's not too high. It's right here. 250 maybe. I don't know. Next levels are way up higher at about 300. It could potentially go up there. I mean, it's still 1 hour into the market. Oh man, look at that nice move. Yeah. What you gonna do? All right, everybody. Here, I'll stop it here at 9:35. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next show.